Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you went in there? Or maybe you've blanked on someone's name right after they told you? It's frustrating, right? But what if I told you that forgetting is actually a normal, even healthy function of your brain? Let's dive into why our brains seem to hit the delete button on our memories and what we can do to remember the things that truly matter. First, let's understand why we forget. Think of your brain as a super efficient librarian. It's constantly receiving new information, and it has to decide what to keep and what to toss. If it kept every single detail of every single day, it would be completely overwhelmed. So, it prioritizes. Memories that are emotionally charged, repeated often, or linked to other existing memories get a VIP pass to long-term storage. The rest? They fade away. This is called transience. It's not a flaw. It's a feature designed to keep our minds from getting cluttered with useless information, like what you ate for breakfast 3 Tuesdays ago. Another big reason for forgetting is a simple lack of attention. In our fast-paced, multitasking world, we're often not fully present. When you're scrolling on your phone while someone is talking to you, you're not truly encoding that information. Your brain can't retrieve something that was never properly stored in the first place. It's like trying to find a book in the library that was never checked in. It's just not there. So, a huge part of remembering is simply paying attention from the start. So, how do we fight back against forgetting and sharpen our memory? The good news is, you can train your brain to remember better. One powerful technique is called active recall. Instead of just rereading your notes, close the book and try to recall the information from scratch. This effort strengthens the neural pathways, making the memory stronger and easier to access later. Spaced repetition is another fantastic tool. This involves reviewing information at increasing intervals over time. So instead of cramming for a test the night before, you'd study a little bit each day, gradually spacing out your sessions. Lifestyle also plays a massive role. Regular exercise boosts blood flow to the brain. Sleep is when your brain consolidates memories from the day, and a healthy diet provides the fuel your brain needs to function optimally. And don't forget the power of connection. Tying new information to things you already know creates a web of knowledge that is much harder to forget. For example, if you're trying to remember a new person's name, like Lily, you might associate her with a lily flower. This simple trick, called association, can work wonders. So the next time you forget something, don't be too hard on yourself. Your brain is just doing its job. Instead, try to be more mindful, practice active recall, and live a brain-healthy lifestyle. You'll be amazed at how much you can improve your ability to remember the important stuff. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more tips on how to make your brain work better for you. See you next time.